I really made several attempts to see then President Duterte just to ask kung ano po talaga ang reason kung bakit po ako naisama sa lista.
Ano ang tunay na pangalan po natin, Mayor?
Your Honors, yung tunay na pangalan ko po ay si Jed Patrick Escalante Mabilog.
Ano po ang palayaw po natin? Ano ang tawag ng mga kaibigan sa inyo?
Your Honors, Jed po.
Okay, Jed. Saan ka nakatira ngayon, Jed? Pero siguro for security reasons, ayaw mo munang i-divulge yun. Hindi po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Anyway, dito po tayo sa sinumpaang salaysay mo. Meron mo kayong sinubmit o sinumite dito sa komitiba yung affidavit po ninyo dated September 18, 2024. Hindi po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Ito bang sinumpang salaysay mo ay pinatutuhanan mo ang lahat ng nakalagay dito?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala po bang nag-udyok sa'yo? You have done this on your own free will and accord?
Yes, Your Honor.
So kung mamarapatin po ninyo, isa-isahin ho natin itong sinumpaang salaysay po ninyo. Sa paragraph 1 po, pinakita ho ninyo dito na medyo matagal na po kayo sa politika. Pwede pang isalaysay ninyo sa amin paano kayo napasok sa politika? Kailan ho kayo napasok sa politika?
Nung dati pa, sir, po, Your Honor, I was chairman of the Kabataang Barangay. And then, ito po ang umudyok.
Anong taon po yun, Mr. Chair?
In, Your Honor, in 1984 until 1986, Your Honor.
Ilan taon pa po kayo noon?
Kabataang Barangay, Your Honor, hanggang 18 years old po.
So batang-bata pa po kayo. Anong sunod ho ninyong posisyon sa politika?
Your Honor, I was city councilor in the year 2004.
Ano din po ang sumunod?
Your Honor, in 2007, I became the vice mayor of the city of Iloilo.
And then yung sunod po?
Your Honor, I was elected mayor in 2010, in 2013, and in 2016, Your Honor.
So, hindi na ho ninyo natapos yung termino ninyo dun sa third term kasi according sa inyong salaysay, noong 2017 umalis na po kayo, hindi po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Umalis po ako noong 2017.
At saka nung kayo mayor po, according to your affidavit, you have had several awards. So meaning that you really performed well during your tenure as the mayor of Iloilo City. Can you expound on this?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, Your Honor, for the international awards for Iloilo City and myself, I have the Iloilo City has been awarded as a Service Award for Business by the Philippine American Chamber of Commerce. Iloilo City was also a nominee for the Lee Kuan Yew World City Prize. We were Livable Cities Champion in 2015 by the Asian Development Bank. I was chosen as one of the top 5 world mayors in 2014 by the City Mayors Foundation. The city was also awarded for bringing Dinagyang Festival to New York. Iloilo City was also given the Gold Award for the Iloilo River Development Project by the 2010 International Livable Communities in Chicago, USA. Iloilo City has the Silver Award for Iloilo River Development Initiatives, Silver Award for the Iloilo Dinagyang Festival in the 2011 Livcom Awards, a second in the Thies River Prize Awards in Brisbane, Australia, and was shortlisted as top 77 in the 2012 New 7 Wonder Cities of the World. Those are the international awards, Your Honor. For the national awards, we have 33 awards, national awards, and among which are the being recognized by PIDEA for our illegal drugs, illegal drugs campaign, Your Honor, for the years 2014, 2015, 2016, and 2017, Your Honor. Among others, Your Honor, would you like me to read the 33?
No, I think
Yes, Honor.
that is enough.
Yes,
Mr.
Honor.
Chair, the fact that the statement of Jed Mabilog has proved that he was indeed a performing mayor. The fact that he has received international awards, local awards, nagpapatunay lang po na ginampanan ni former Mayor Jed Mabilog ang his role and duties and obligations as a mayor. So there is no question, Mr. Chair, based on the awards that he has told us that he was indeed a good public servant. Ngayon, dito po tayo sa paragraph 3. Kung babasahin ko po at kung pwede, paki-explain po sa amin. Despite my hard work and dedication to public service, I was unjustly and baselessly included in former President Duterte's so-called narco list. This inclusion was made without any evidence, investigation, or due process. Mr. Mabilog,
Yes, Your
sa
Honor.
tingin ho ninyo, bakit kayo nasali dun sa narco list?
Thank you, Your Honor. Actually, Your Honors, I really made several attempts to see then President Duterte just to ask kung ano po talaga ang reason kung bakit po ako naisama sa lista. So, Your Honors,
So nakausap mo pa si...
hindi ko, never ko po siya nakausap.
Okay, so tuloy mo.
So, gumawa na lang po ako ng assumptions ko for what these reasons are. Kasi there are several instances, Your Honor, that could probably lead to this. Number one, Your Honor, is I am a relative or second cousin of then Senator Frank Drilon. Number two is nung nagkaroon ng rally sa Iloilo City during the campaign, namatay po yung kanilang nagkaroon sila po ng brownout. And isinisisi po sa mayor sa akin po, Your Honor. Third po, there was an attempt before na gusto niya po makipagkita sa akin during the campaign. But unfortunately, I was not able to meet him because I was on official travel to Manila for a big project, which is the expansion of the National Highway. And one of the big projects there was to bring down the black spaghetti wires along the highway. And so I have to meet the PLDT executives to request them to finance the bringing down of their lines. Kasi malaki po yung amount na mag-i-involve. Kanila naman po ang linya, so sila na po ang nakaset na po yun to meet po the executives of PLDT. So I wasn't able to meet him, sir.
Bakit, Mr. Chair, Mr. Mabilog, bakit sa tingin nyo gusto makipagkita sa inyo the former president?
I think, Your Honor, I think gusto lang po na sa pagkakaalam ko po, Your Honor, he was going around and was trying to meet with all the other local chief executives.
Ito ba ay presidente na po siya
Hindi
o sa panahon pa ito ng eleksyon?
Sa panahon pa po ng election, Your Honor. Yung isa pa po, Your Honor, is that Iloilo City, hindi pa po siya presidente, Your Honor, Iloilo City was always compared to Davao City. I have here po all the newspaper articles with me that would show that even Solita Monson compared myself to then Mayor Rodrigo Duterte. So palagi po kino-compare kami po. So again, these are only my assumptions and presumptions, Your Honor, because I never had I never really knew what was the main reason.
So in
kung
short,
bakit yan po.
Mr. Chair, in short, Jed, you're trying to say to this committee that the reason why your name was included in the narco list of the former administration is that it is because purely of politics. Dahil po ba kayo ay hindi sumuporta noong 2016? Yung po ba ang sinasabi ninyo dito sa komitiba na sa tingin ninyo, sa opinion mo, kaya ikaw bineltahan, ikaw binilikan, nilagay ka sa narco list dahil hindi ka sumuporta noong during the 2016 presidential elections? Ganun po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. Kasi ang resulta po, Your Honor, ng elections na yon, President Rodrigo Duterte got only po 13.7% in the total number of votes in Iloilo City, which is his lowest percentage votes
Sino po
all
ba ang
over the
nanalong
country.
presidential candidate dun sa Iloilo at that time?
Your Honor, si Manuel Rojas po.
Okay, dito po tayo sa paragraph number 4. So, nung nalaman mo, Mr. Mabilog, Mr. Chair, na ikaw kasama sa narco list, ano hong ginawa ninyo? Did you try to reach out to the police authorities to clear your name? Or did you ask some of your friends, dahil ikaw ay isang mayor, natural, may mga kakilala ka dun sa regional police office, meron kang kilalang mga police dun sa provincial police office. Hindi ka ba nagtanong-tanong bakit nasali yung pangalan mo dun sa narco list? Ano hong ginawa ninyo nung nalaman ninyong kayo ay kasama sa narco list?
Your Honor, una po ay meron pong instructions from the Chief of Police to surrender all firearms. And then the next thing...
Sandali, Mr. Chair.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Sinasabi mo ngayon na pinuntahan ka ng Chief of Police para isurrender ang mga firearms mo. Was this after na ikaw ay nasali sa narco list or before ka nasali sa narco list?
After nasali sa narco list.
After nasali.
PRRD narco
Okay,
list.
please proceed.
And then, yung lahat na security personnel na naka-detail po sa mayor ay tinanggal. So, yung ginawa ko, Your Honor, is pumunta sa then PNP Regional Director na bagong assign at saka kinausap ko po siya kung ano po ang dapat gagawin. And then I explained to him all these programs that I have undertaken and the City of Iloilo's programs against illegal drugs. pinapaliwanag ko po na ito po yung mga programa namin, and that is why I was really wondering kung bakit po ako na isama sa lista po.
Mr. Mabilog, hindi nyo pa po tinanong yung regional director nung nagkita kayo, Director, bakit ako nasali dito? Hindi ka ba nagtanong sa kanya?
Your Honor, I think I did. Kasi yun po, dala-dala ko po ito. Meron po akong compilation po, executive summary of the Iloilo City Anti-Illegal Drug Programs from 2010 to 2016. Ibinigyan ko po sila ng kopya kasi I always have this. This was a requirement by PIDEA that we submit reports to them annually. So, kumpleto po kami ng data, ng data to, at saka yun po sinabi ko, Sir, bakit po ako nasali? Bakit po yung Iloilo ay most shabualized? Na ito rin po, ito po yung mga programa po namin.
So, anong sagot niya sa iyo, Mr. Chair? Anong sagot sa iyo? Nung tinanong mo siya, bakit nasali ako sa narco list when in fact, I am the one heading the anti-illegal drug campaign in Iloilo. So anong sagot ng regional director?
Your Honor, sagot niya po, na yung nanggaling sa taas, yung lista, yung in-announce ng Presidente, wala pa pong lista nun, sir, na, Your Honor, na
so in short,
ibinaba.
Mr. Chair, yung binabasihan lang ng regional director doon sa listahan na sinabi ng former president. Doon lang po niya nakuha yung pangalan ninyo without any validation. Ganun po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Dito po sa paragraph 6,
Kindly wrap up, Congressman Tumigan.
mahaba-haba po sana ito, Mr. Chair. Can I have another 3 minutes na lang? Dito na lang po tayo sa paragraph 7. Since the announcement of my inclusion in this list, I was subjected to repeated threats to my life. Former President Duterte publicly singled me out numerous times. Kailan ho nangyari ito? Yung pinakita ho ninyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron ka pang binagit dito na during in one forum